Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we will tell you about the evolution of Bugatti cars. Evolution of Bugatti cars. 1991. The EB110 was unveiled in Paris on 15 September 1991 to mark Ettore Bugatti's 110th birthday. The 12-cylinder car featured 4 turbochargers, 4-wheel drive, and approximately 550 PS. A total PF, approximately 140 units are made. (1995) Bugatti Automobile S.p.A. ceased their business in 1995. The Nuremberg-based sports car manufacturer Dauer Racing GmbH took over the production of EB110 and continued to sell it under name Dauer EB110. Around 10 more EB110s were sold. (1998) In May 1998, Volkswagen AG acquired the rights to Bugatti brand. Bugatti unveiled the EB118, a 2-door, 4-seated, in October of that year, 18-cylinder sports car designed by GIOrgetto Giugiaro. (1999) After unveiling the EB118, 3 more studies followed in 1999. In the spring, Bugatti began by presenting the EB show, then followed in September by the EB183, named after former Bugatti racing driver Chiron at the IAA in Frankfurt. Bugatti began by presenting the EB218, a 4-door salon at the Geneva Motor Show. In 2000, Bugatti presented the EB194 Veyron, a modified study of the previous year, at motor shows in Detroit, Geneva, and Paris. The 8-cylinder mid-engine car named after French racing driver Pierre Veyron featured a 16-cylinder 630 PSW engine. (2001) Veyron 16.4 In 2001, Bugatti presented the study of the Veyron 16.4 at IAA in Frankfurt. The concept car boasted 1,001 PS, an 8-iron displacement, 4 turbochargers, and a torque of 1,250 Nm. It was decided that year to initiate series production based on the study. The production model shared the same name. (2005) Production of the Veyron began in autumn 2005. Bugatti produced a superlative quality car at the brand's headquarters, just as company founder Ettore Bugatti once did, with 1,001 PS at top speed of over 400 km per hour and a sprint from 0 to 100 in less than 3 seconds. The Veyron exceeded the performance of any car seen by the automotive industry. The only one possible place to manufacture the Veyron is France, the birthplace of Bugatti model. The new production facility known as the Atelier was completed in 2005. Production of Veyron began in autumn 2005. (2008) In the Veyron 16.4 Grand Sport, the Bugatti designers and engineers perfectly combined a 1001 PS supercar with the lifestyle of open-top driving. The Grand Sport was unveiled at USA in August 2008. Premiere of the Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Grand Sport. (2009) Veyron 16.4 Grand Sport celebrates its centenary. 2010 Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Super Sports sets world record. After a breaking world record, the world premiere of Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Super Sport. 2012 At the 2012 Geneva Motor Show, Bugatti unveiled the premiere of the Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Grand Sport Vitesse WTRH, a top speed of 410 km per hour. It was the fastest production roadster ever. In April 2013, the Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Grand Sport Vitesse is recognized as the world's fastest roadster, making it the world's fastest record car edition produced specially for the World Recode run and limited to just 8 units, received its world premiere shortly afterward at Auto Shanghai, and it quickly sold out. 2016 Bugatti Chiron world premiere for the ultimate super sports car launched. 2018 Curtains Up for the Vivo Bugatti has presented its last model as a world premiere. 2019 La Voiture Noire was unveiled for the first time at Geneva Motor Show and commenced the anniversary of Bugatti's 110th anniversary. Bugatti Centodieci, exclusive small series and extraordinary design, Bugatti broke the 300 miles per hour barrier. 110 years, scarcely any other luxury car brand can look back on as long a tradition as Bugatti. (2020) Pure driving and pure adrenaline, Bugatti is proud to introduce the Chiron Pur Sport, a substantial and bold evolution of the Chiron concept. Form follows performance, making it the most agile and uncompromising Chiron ever. Bugatti launched Chiron Pure Sport, a pure driving machine. (2021) As the ultimate GT, the Chiron Supersport offers a whole new dimension of the Bugatti experience, delivering brutal performance ace and a total comfort. The extraordinary car went on to honor the Supersport brand 9 decades after its birth. Bugatti launches the Chiron Supersport, the ultimate Grand Tourisms. Bugatti Rime joint venture launched. In 2022, Bugatti Chiron Supersport launched. Let us tell in the comments which Bugatti model you like the most. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.